Hey there, Verdana fans. Roberto Lee here at Verdana Village, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Layton Grande, one of the Pulte homes that you can find here at Verdana Village. The Layton Grande is almost 4,000 square foot. You can get it 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful model here. So as you walk inside the Layton Grande, it's got a nice entry here. This home features a loft area, which we'll take a look at here in a moment. But first, on the downstairs, you've got a guest bedroom right here. And this guest bedroom can double as an ensuite. You have a guest bath here. However, there is a pocketing sliding door here, so you can shut this off and give privacy to the person in that bedroom. Then you've got a dedicated den here. It is a true den. There's no closet in this room here. And then that opens up into your dining space and all your great room living. So you've got a nice dedicated dining space here. And right off the dining room area, this is where you're going to find the entry to your garage, which is straight ahead right past this glass door. So that's your 3-car garage there. You've got a nice indoor laundry space, tons of extra storage, utility sink, etc. And then right off of there, you've got another guest bedroom here as well. And another guest bathroom right here in addition to that. Now coming back out to the main areas here, you've got this nice great room space. And you'll be overlooking this right from your kitchen here. You've got this beautiful kitchen with the Layton Grande. Everything's nice and open here, overlooking your great room area. Huge walk-in pantry here, wall oven microwave, nice little nook here for breakfast. And then right across from the great room area and kitchen, this is your master suite here. Really nice sized space, huge windows, tons of natural light. And a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom here as well. So you've got your walk-in shower, your enclosed water closet, and then the clothes closet here with all the built-ins. Now coming back out towards the main area, we're going to run upstairs and take a look at the loft. So upstairs, once we get to the top of the stairwell, we land right on the loft, but there's also another guest bedroom upstairs in addition to the loft area. So you'll see as soon as we get to the top here, you have a wet bar area. So you've got the mini fridge and sink. This beautiful open space here in the loft. And then right past the loft here, you've got an extra storage room here. And then you have the other guest bedroom and bathroom, full bath up here as well. This is an awesome, awesome layout for those who need a little bit of extra space and want some separation between the downstairs great room and having an upstairs loft area. Now, last but not least, we're going to take a look at the outdoor living space. So coming across the great room area again, you've got a beautiful, beautiful pool space out here, outdoor kitchen, tons of room, under truss here, and beautiful pool area overlooking the lake here at Verdana Village. All right, folks, so if you're interested in a model home similar to this one, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.